A lot of people in life never achieve their full potential because they believe that pressure is the thing that's going to stop them from achieving their full potential. They allow that pressure because they believe that it's a negative thing. They allow the pressure to choke them out. They allow that pressure to psych them out. And they allow that pressure to eventually burn them out. But pressure is no more the problem than a Ferrari is a problem. You see, if you imagine a Ferrari racing around a racetrack at 180 miles an hour, and then you drop a learner driver into the cockpit, there's going to be a fucking car crash, quite obviously. Because that learner driver hasn't learned how to drive that kind of car at those kind of speeds on that kind of track in that kind of an environment. But if you dropped an experienced driver into the cockpit at that speed, there's going to be one hell of a fucking show, because that experienced driver has been taught how to handle that kind of pressure under those kind of speeds in that kind of environment. So the problem is never the pressure that you are under. The problem is the way you deal with the pressure. If you're struggling to deal with the pressure, it's because you have a maladaptive pressure response. It is the response to the pressure which is causing the pain, the suffering, and the failure to achieve the things you want to achieve. Work on that.